Hey there everybody, welcome to Exploring with Edna, episode 13. Just wanted to shoot a quick follow-up video here today. I realized I had a couple things I wanted to answer on my questions that sort of been given through Facebook and other media sources and stuff like that. So one was commented on a little bit, and that was my replacement gauge needles. It's a super duper basic. I used toothpicks. They're painted green. I know it sounds silly, but honestly they work. Where stock would have looked. Let me get a light on this, guys. Alright. So, where stock would have been an orange, that's the stock over here, like on the RPM gauge, the little orange needles. But simplicity, easy home fix, toothpick and glue. They're so old and brittle, if you have to maintain them, they like to break. So there's that. The second one is simply the channel name, Exploring with Edna. Edna is simply a mashup name of my first two letters of my name, which is Edward. And then there's my wife's name, Hannah. The family came up with this mashup name ages ago as Edna. And I don't know, it just stuck. Sort of thought it would be a cool little name, Exploring with Edna, because we do it together. Third thing, it's the morning, I haven't had my soda yet, don't mind me. Third thing is that when you guys maintain or headlights or convert, so you know, like I'm converted to these LEDs here now, make sure when you're done that you re-aim them. These LEDs are much brighter. Just be kind to the others on the road if you have a chance, and aim them a little farther down, because you don't need to aim them quite as high as those stock ones. At least that's my opinion of it. And also, they don't run as bright because they're LED. So if you're in certain snow conditions, say really wet, sticky stuff, or icy conditions, the snow is just gonna cake on here. And I've added these mesh guards that make it a little bit more difficult to clear out. So just be aware that the LED headlights and LED lights in general don't run as hot. So that's just going to cause potential issues where the ice and snow will build up on them, and you could cause some conflicts with lights not working. Those are just a few of the follow-up things I wanted to talk about here today. A really short video, but I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you found this informative. Until next time, have yourself a good time. Bye now.